Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. DJI shoulder bag is included in the DJI Air 3S Fly More combo, for which I have already made a video that you can watch at the end of this one. Engineered specifically for the Fly More combo components, this bag. We have a low profile, it doesn't scream expensive drone inside, which is a huge plus for security when you are exploring new cities. Weather resistance, the material handles a light drizzle or dust effortlessly, making it a solid companion for hikers. Comfort, the adjustable strap, there it is, and padded pack make it easy to wear all day without fatigue. Plenty of storage. Very friendly the material, I like it. Pull to open. Internal dividers, everything has a home, preventing your propellers from getting bent or your controller screen from getting scratched. So there is everything. Let's see how we can have all this at the bag inside. Be careful with the propellers. Very easy. Now to insert the controller, remove the sticks, store the sticks at the back, both, nice. And now here you can have the controller. And then we have the two batteries with the charger. Nice. Fits a full flight kit into a bag that's barely larger than a lunchbox. The filters, you can have the filters here. High quality zipper. And tear-resistant fabric that hold up to daily use. Manuals. And the cable. So there you have it, everything is in the bag. Just love the fabric, very good. I really like the compact size, the smart internal layout and how comfortable it feels for everyday travel or quick shooting trips. If you value portability and speed, the answer is a definite yes. It's surprisingly spacious for its size, perfectly holding your drone, the RC2 and all three batteries without feeling bulky. It's the ideal grab and go solution for those days when you don't want to lug around a giant hard case. It's discreet, durable and keeps your gear organized so you can focus on getting those shot instead of digging for cables. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more drone accessories, gear reviews and travel setups. Thanks for watching, travel light, protect your gear and I'll see you in the next one.